In this video, I will show you how people are making constant 1000x returns using one single app on the Solana blockchain.
Solana, make money on Solana, make money Solana, make money Solana.
Before we get started, make sure to use the code FPHY4YAH to get points on the app when you sign up. The PreRich app is an amazing web app that you can access on your phone or computer by clicking on the first link in the description or by going to app.prerich.com. The PreRich app has an amazing user interface and inbuilt wallet that makes it easy for users to find and buy trending tokens. Users also have access to hot tokens that are experiencing high trading volumes. On top of all of this, the PreRich app also has an option for newly launched tokens. You can find tokens seconds after they've been launched, and all these sections update in real time. Now let's take a look at the token buying side of things. The PreRich app has an inbuilt token checker that contains details about how safe a token is before you buy it. It tells you if new tokens can be minted, if the contract has been renounced, if the liquidity pool is locked, and if a large supply of the token is currently with a small number of holders. Having little details like this right beside the buy button can come in handy when you're looking to snipe a token that was just created. Next on the buy token screen are the details about the token, when it was launched, its current market cap, total supply, liquidity, and volume. Not to mention, but all of these details are updated in real time. Buying a coin on that same screen is as simple as just typing in the amount you'd like to buy and clicking the buy button, and then you're good to go. Those are just some of the features that make the PreRich app great for getting 1000x. Sign up today and have a better chance at making life-changing money this bull run. Please remember to use code FPHY4YAH, and thank you for watching.